everyone, in this tutorial, I'll guide you on how to create a monogram in Canva. Let's get started. Begin by opening Canva and create a new project. Navigate to the Text tab. Add a heading and input the desired letters, then customize the formatting as needed. Duplicate the letter and change it to another letter. Next, go to the Elements tab. Select shapes based on your preferences. Adjust the color of the shape to match the background color. Then, resize and position the shape to cover a part of one of the letters. Next, adjust the position and size of the other letter to complement the covered part of the first letter. And there you have it. Your monogram is now created in Canva. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.